Hello, my name is Maverick Collins. This is my video submission for the encryption assignment uh, in object-oriented programming with Dr. Madrazo. So we were tasked with building a encrypt function to take an input message. Um, I made it work for input message. I think it could have worked with any hard-coded string, but we went ahead and had it. I created a script to have it work for a user inputted string. And what it's going to do is it's going to parse the string into separate characters, and it's going to enter this for loop. And it's going to first check, hey, is this an uppercase letter? If it is, we're going to then take um, the character. We're going to get the ASCII value of it. We're then going to add the shift value. So if we added a shift value of say 4, let's say, and say it's a capital A, we're going to add it to 4. So that's going to make capital A turn into what? B, C, D, E. So they'll turn it to a capital E. And then we're going to minus the 65 since it's capital. We're going to then mod it by 26 to ensure that it wraps back around to the ASCII value of a letter. And finally, we're going to add the 65 back on to make it an uppercase. Similarly, for lowercase, it's the same idea, except lowercase a starts at an ASCII value of 97. So we're going to add the shift value, subtract 97, mod it by 26, and then add the 97 back to it. And so what this is essentially doing is we have the encrypted original, and it's going to append each character to the encrypted original message. So that's my encrypt method. And I wanted to add some functionality. Let's have it work here. I'm just going to say, I don't know, Jesus is Lord. Okay. Enter a shift value to encrypt your words. So I'm going to enter a shift value of 4 so we could see this in action. Okay. So as you can see, it outputs each word in the string on a separate line, and it encrypts it line by line. So for capital J, it's going to move it over 4 spaces. So we have, what is that? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, J, K, L, M, N, right? So it's 4 over, and that's where we're getting the N. So similarly for all the subsequent letters. Um, I had to look up this bit with the while string stream in order to parse the like phrase into separate substrings, if you will. And I found this on Stack Overflow, I believe, and thought it was a pretty handy solution. So we're going to single stream the message, and we're going to pass in each word individually, and then it's going to encrypt each letter. And yeah, this is my video submission for the assignment. I think actually we were supposed to have this be, yep, no, I think that looks good, actually. I was trying to think about the capitalizations. I think they wanted us to do all lowercase, but that should be an easy fix. I think if I just take off the 65 and add 97, I think this will work. Let's see. Just put Jesus as Lord again. 4. So, yep, there you go. So that takes the capital letters and makes them all lowercase. I think that's what the problem assignment is. So I'll submit it with this solution. So that should be accurate to what the actual output is. So thanks for your time. Yeah, this had a fun time working on this one. It was a really interesting problem, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.